This cycle repeats endlessly. It ends up in the past again, goes through the same events, and is sent back once more. Thus, a closed cause and effect chain arises, in which every event is both the result of the previous one and the cause of the next. This is a time loop. An object becomes stuck in a fragment of space-time, where its trajectory repeats over and over forever. But here arises a third question. Is it even possible for such a time loop to form if the object returns to precisely the same point in spacetime that it previously occupied? After all, if at point t0, both versions, the original fly V and the one arriving from the future, V2, undergo annihilation, then how could the fly have been sent from point t0 plus 10 if by that moment it had already ceased to exist? Would a time loop still form in that case if its cause had vanished before the act of sending ever occurred? If annihilation does not occur, and instead we observe a quantum merging of flies V and V2, in which the object undergoes a structural change, even if minor, then at the moment t0 plus 10, a different entity will arrive, no longer identical to the one that appeared at the beginning of the loop. Thus, the time loop loses its identity, and with each cycle, a potential mutation of the fly takes place. Can a time loop still be formed in this case? In the third scenario, if both objects, V and V2, coexist at point t0 and do not interact physically, they neither annihilate nor merge, then at point t0 plus 10, two flies will appear. With each turn of the time loop, the number of instances will double, from one fly to two, then 4, 8, 16, and so on, to infinity. This leads to exponential growth of matter within the time domain. And if space does not expand, then what will happen? How will this affect the space-time continuum of reality? And if an external observer, the experimenter, reaches point t0 plus 11 seconds, what exactly will he see as a result of such events? And will he even be able to exist there at all, given such a progression? I invite you to unravel this complex knot. Write down your answers.